Hello everyone, this is chemistry. So the lesson for today is exercises. Okay, let's see. So classwork is task 1. It says complete the following reactions as it is given in the examples of salt formation. Salt formation 1, metal plus acid. So a metal plus acid will give us salt and hydrogen gas. Magnesium plus sulfuric acid will give us magnesium sulfate and hydrogen. So you have to complete the reactions with the missing chemicals. What do we have in the first one? Think about that. So what will react together to form aluminium sulfate? And what's remaining in here is aluminium sulfate and here hydrogen, okay? So keep in mind what you should write in order to complete the reaction. What about B? So sodium nitrate, okay, is the salt. You should write the metal and the acid that react together to form sodium nitrate, and the other one, C. So calcium plus hydrochloric acid. Think about the products. An acid and base. So acid plus base will give us salt and water, the neutralization reaction. Here we have the example. So hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide will give sodium chloride and water. Here the base is barium hydroxide. So you have to find the acid that reacts with barium hydroxide to give us barium sulfate. And of course, the other product. The B gave nitric acid and sodium hydroxide. You should complete the reaction. Then phosphoric acid, so C is phosphoric acid, yes, a base will give aluminum phosphate and the other product. The 3 is acetic oxide plus basic oxide, so an acetic oxide and a basic oxide reacting together will give salt. Only salt. This is the reaction, the reaction in a salt formation that will give only salt. Okay, keep in mind that. So in this case, we have sodium trioxide, sulfur trioxide plus sodium oxide, and we'll give sodium sulfate. Okay, keep in mind that when we have a non-metal plus another non-metal in a formula, we do say the subscript, okay, the number of the atoms. So sulfur trioxide plus sodium oxide, we do not say the subscripts when we have metals and non-metal. And so when we have an ionic compound, which is sodium sulfate in this case, a salt, we do not say the subscript, okay? Okay, return to the exercise. Acetic oxide, which is carbon dioxide in this case, plus something else will give us sodium carbonate. The B says something plus magnesium oxide will give magnesium nitrate. So we have to think about which is the acetic oxide that reacts with magnesium oxide and give magnesium nitrate. In the other example, you have another acetic oxide that reacts with basic oxide, which is calcium oxide, giving calcium carbonate. Okay, pretty easy. We have done thousands of examples like this, okay? The 4 says metal oxide plus acid. Metal oxide and acid give salt and water. Okay, sodium oxide plus hydrochloric acid give sodium chloride plus water. Keep in mind, when you write the reactions, you have to balance the reactions, okay? we need to have the same number of atoms in both sides of the reaction. Here, you do not have anything written. You have to choose the metal oxide and the acid to put in both places in order to have salt and water. So you have to write 3 examples. Okay, let's see the other one. So carbonate plus acid. Carbonate plus acid give salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. So calcium carbonate plus hydrochloric acid will give calcium chloride plus water and plus carbon dioxide. Keep in mind that the charge of calcium is +2, so chlorine -1, we need 2 atoms of chlorine to balance the whole formula. So you have to remember the charges when you are completing the formula, the reaction. Here again, you have 3 empty reactions. You have to fill them as you like. Remember, you have to produce a salt, carbon dioxide, and water. When a carbonate reacts with an acid, you choose the carbonate and you choose the acid. 3 different examples. The 6 is acidic oxide plus base. So acidic oxide and a base will give salt and water. So again, acidic oxide, non-metal plus oxygen, sulfur trioxide plus a base, sodium hydroxide, sodium sulfate plus water. Why you need 2 sodiums in here? Because the sulfate polyatomic ion has the charge -2, and sodium has the charge +1. In order to have a neutral formula, we need 2 atoms of sodium. You have, again, to write 3 different examples for this salt formation example. Okay, acidic oxide plus base. This exercise will be homework. So A, B, and C. Exercise 6 will be homework. Choose the way to write that. So might be digital work or homework by picture, whatever you want to. If you have questions, you can always ask me in the classroom space or by mail as you wish. So better is to use classroom platform. Okay, thank you very much. I wish you a good day and see you soon.